Hi, I'm Natalie,
Hi, I'm Kalita,
Hi, my name is Nakia.
and this is the Random Questions tag.
and this is the Random Questions tag.
And this is the random question tag.
Do you listen to music or silence when driving?
Music.
Both. Silence when I'm in the zone, and music when I'm just chillaxing and driving.
Music.
Are you a window or aisle person?
Window, for sure.
Window.
I really don't care, but if I had to pick aisle,
How do you relieve stress?
Music. Put on music and just blast it at top volume without disturbing my neighbors.
I listen to music, but I also angry clean.
normally I put on headphones really loud.
What was your favorite show as a child?
Everything? I was a telly addict, so I watched everything as a child, so I can't think of anything.
I watched a lot of TLC, so probably A Baby Story.
Dragon Tales.
When you were a child, what did you want to be when you grew up?
I wanted to be a doctor.
A scientist and a singer.
I wanted to be a singer all my life, and then I saw Beautiful and I wanted to be a pageant queen. But I still want to be a singer.
What was the best prank you've ever pulled off?
I'm not a prankster, so I don't think I pulled off any pranks successfully if I tried.
So a coworker bet me that I couldn't get him with this before a certain time in the day. So I took a picture of my hand like that, traced over it with tracing paper, cut up a bunch of them and stuck them on my pants. And I won food that day. It was great.
Okay, my brother was 5, and I kept telling him that he was an alien, and so we used to share a room. Or no, he wasn't 5, he was like 6 or 7, but we used to share a room, and so I took a flashlight in the middle of the night and like shined it over his face while he was sleeping, and then I like put myself in front of the flashlight and I was like, boo boo, wake up, the mothership is back for you. And he was like, what, and then he was really terrified, and then he was like screaming, and so my grandmother came into the room, and I like went back to bed and pretended like I was sleeping, and I was like, what's going on? And he was like, they're after me. And it was really cruel, but up until this moment, nobody knew I did that.
If you could have dinner with any 3 people, whom would you choose?
That one's tough. I would choose Celine Dion because I'm obsessed. I'm newly obsessed with the Queen, so I kind of want to have dinner with the Queen and just be all proper and stuff. I can't think of a third, so unknown mystery person.
I would choose my grandmother, Jesus, and let's say Diane Keaton.
I think I would pick Ellen DeGeneres. I just feel like it would be a great night. Probably Ariana Grande and Demi Lovato. I don't know. Am I basic? I don't care.
If you could get back any article of clothing you once had, what would it be?
I had a pair of dungarees when I was like a kid, like overalls, I think they're called. But they were like short dungarees, And they were super cute. I really liked those. And they only fit me for like a small amount of time before I grew out of them. It was bomb.
I had these platform sandals. They were white and they were so cute, but I couldn't really walk in heels, so I always used to run in them. And I was running one day in the grass. I slipped and fell, and then the strap broke on them.
It's really weird, but okay, I remember these really cute pink, like, checkered capri pants. And there's a picture of me somewhere in my mom's house of me, like, leaning up against the gate with, like, a regular pink top on. But those checkered pants were hot, all right? They were cute. I was 7, walking around with my little braids. I looked great. I was great. I would get those back. Yep.
If you could hire an actor to portray you in a movie, who would it be?
That I would want to hire Cynthia Erivo. And also, she's got a great voice, so she'll make me sound good.
I don't know. Like, at all. I don't know.
Most people would say I should choose Amber Riley because we have similar vibes, I guess. But, you know what? Yeah, I'll stick with Amber Riley. She's great. I'll take her. She's a good dancer, singer, all that stuff. I'll take her. Yeah.
If you could play any instrument, which would you play?
I would play the cello because I've always wanted to play a stringed instrument, but I love the cello. I love the way it sounds, and I would carry that around.
Well, I play violin, but when I was choosing which instrument to play, it was a debate between cello and violin. But because I was lazy, I chose violin, and now I kind of regret it.
Violin. I know I wanted to say cello, but violin. I don't want to carry the damn cello around.
If you could hear anyone in history give a speech, whom would you choose?
I would choose Martin Luther King. It's pretty cliche, but it's such a powerful speech that I legit would want to be there hearing him deliver that speech to thousands of people live.
Jesus.
I don't know if it classifies as a speech, but I would definitely want to hear what Rosa Parks said. Like, I would want to hear it word from word.
If you could live in one city for the rest of your life, where would it be?
For the rest of my life, I'd probably want to live in London if I had to live for the rest of my life, just because I have family there and it's kind of cool when you get around. So
probably Paris.
I'm really basic, but I think I would just choose Chicago just because I know it.
If you could make any fictional character come to life, which would it be?
No idea. I can't think of anything right now. I know too many fictional characters, and I can't think of any that I would want to come to life. I like them to remain fiction.
Etienne from Anna and the French Kiss.
I'm just gonna say Percy Jackson. I'll just say Percy Jackson because then that means demigods are real, and that means, you know, adventures.
What did you dress up as for Halloween as a kid?
Nothing. I didn't celebrate Halloween growing up.
We weren't allowed to celebrate Halloween, and then one year we were. So I would dress up as a vampire every time, and then one year I dressed up as a guy, and I sat on my friend's couch while she wasn't home. And then when she came home and came in the door, I was like, yo, baby. It was funny.
Right off the bat, a witch. I was a sailor girl. I was Cleopatra one year. I was a steampunker. Queen of Hearts. Those are the only ones I can remember right now.
Do you sleep with your closet doors open or closed?
Closed.
Closed. I do not want to see what's in there. If I hear something, then I know to get up and run.
I'm gonna get a lot of crap for this. Okay, I don't care. I took the closet doors off of my closet because I sleep with my closet doors open. People sleep with their closet doors like closed because I don't know, but I sleep with mine open because if there's somebody in there, I'm gonna see you and you're not getting away. I want to know what's going on behind them doors. It's not a joke. If you want to sleep with your closet doors, fine. Closed, that's fine. But me, they're open and I'm gonna see everything.
Hi, thank you for watching.
We really hope you enjoyed our video.
And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to like,
Comment
And subscribe
down below.
au revoir.
Adios.
Ciao.
Bye.
Bye.